Hey guys, Sam here with Yomi Hacks, and you can see all the sweat on my face. I just picked up that desk over there. It's a high-low table from a company called Tristani. I think you can get it at Costco. Now it retails for $2.99, but I got a good deal on it at Costco I got a good deal on Craigslist. I got it off a guy from Craigslist. He just purchased it. It's probably about a couple of weeks old. He bought two, found out that he didn't really need the other one, so he wanted to liquidate it real quick, and I got it for 160 bucks. So this here that retails for $300, I got it for 160. I'm gonna take you guys, I'm gonna put it on. I just assembled it. It was a quick install. Didn't take too long. I'm gonna go through some of the features and show you guys how it works. Okay guys, so here is the high-low table. Now the benefit of a high-low table is you don't want to sit down all day working on your computer and not take breaks. The benefits of standing are immense. Helps with your circulation, helps with your posture, and it helps not put so much forces on your spine. So you can see here, it's a glass display. The whole desk is glass, and it counts as a whiteboard. So I can write something like this, and you can write all your to-dos, things that you want to remember, things you want to have that are important. And this is a wet chalk eraser, or wet chalk marker, to be able to write on glass. So wet chalk markers write on glass, and once you're done, you just get a paper and it wipes right off. So that's one of the other great features about this desk. The controls are here. I don't know if you guys can see the controls, but I'm gonna raise it up, and you can see that it's raising up. And let's see how high it goes. This thing goes pretty high. Oh wow, that's high. So that's how high it goes. I'm gonna come back here so you guys can see that that's pretty high. So over here on the side, there are USB ports, and those USB ports you can plug your phone in and have it charge, and just lay it right there on the desk. And again, it's a glass display, and you can use it as a whiteboard, as a glass whiteboard. And the on-off switch is right here. That's the on-off switch. And let's see the motor. That's the motor. So it's a motorized high-low table. Some of the other features of the Tristani high-low table or adjustable table is that you have the controls here. Now you have to make sure to lock the controls, because as you can see, I have a lot of things here on my desk, and it's easy to put things on this side of the table and the table will start going up and down. So you can see there's a switch right here. Once I press that, that'll allow me to raise the table up. As you can see, it's raising up. And I can bring the table back down. Right before I bring it down, just want to show you there's a hidden drawer here. Well, not hidden drawer, but there's a drawer you can use to put your pens, pencils, markers, books, papers, whatever you want to put there. And we'll put that back down, and then I'm going to put this down. Now you can have these H1, H2, H3, H4, those are presets. So if you want to set the table at a certain height, the heights that you're comfortable or that you normally work in, you just press, or you just hold down the H1 for 3 seconds, and you see it flashing there. That means that it's set at that height. So if I bring the table down and I want to go to that height that I had preset. I think it was H1, and it goes back up to that height. So that's how you do the preset heights. I can charge my phone right into the table. So as you can see over here, these are the USB ports that I showed you earlier, and I can charge my phone and just leave it right there on the table, and it charges right through this device here, or through this USB port right here. So you have 3 USB ports that you can use to charge up devices, and I love that feature because before I was using long cords from the outlet, and it was just really cumbersome and lines were getting tangled up. I mean, this is kind of a better solution, or an efficient solution, because it plugs right into the table. So that's really a great feature about this high-low adjustable table. So I got this because I was sitting down, my posture was being affected, and I just felt like, you know, I need to break it up. Maybe an hour sitting, a couple hours standing, just to mix it up. And high-low table definitely has its benefits. So if you guys are curious about the benefits of having a high-low table, and you work from home, or you spend a lot of time on the computer and are on the fence, definitely leave a comment in the description on this video. I'll be more than happy to go through some of the benefits of standing and the benefits of having a high-low table. All right, guys, that's it for now. I'll see you guys on the next one.